Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Here, we are going to show you how can you view IceWarp mailbox file in some clicks. It is going to be easier than you think. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 IceWarp Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. First, we will learn the simplest way to view IceWarp files. This utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Open IceWarp configured account if you have IceWarp application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload IceWarp emails. Wait, the software is analyzing the IceWarp folders. The tool lists all the IceWarp mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the IceWarp mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the IceWarp folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the IceWarp email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. For an investigator, the header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this OFT viewer, you can see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the essential details. This great utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. This IceWarp Forensics Wizard has many helpful features such as quick search and advanced search option. These help you filter IceWarp email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next 4 and 6 video tutorial. So, subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the next videos. Have a great day. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding of how to view OFT files. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.